Good morning, everyone. Today, let us read about idioms. See, idioms. Idioms are like phrases. These are also the group of words. There are some words they come together and it forms a phrase like a phrase, but the meaning of that group of words, it means of that phrase, will be something else. You cannot guess the meaning by reading that sentence. Okay, so this is the specialty of idioms. In idioms, what happens, the words which come together, it can be 3 words, 4 words, 5 words, okay, more than one words, but it is always more than one. So those words, when they come together, separate individual meaning, if you find, there will be some other meaning, but together it gives some other meaning. You have to just by heart, you have to just read this out, because you cannot guess, and even you cannot translate also. For example, once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Now separately, if you find out these meaning of these words, you will get some other word, but together it means, see, once means one time, in a blue color moon. Is there any moon which is of blue color? We haven't seen any blue color moon. So here, once in a blue moon, if you find, and there are many words like this, there are many idioms like this. If you try to find out their real means, if you try to find out the meaning by translating those words, you are going to get a funny answer. Okay, it's too difficult, because not actually, it's almost like impossible, because you will get some separate meanings of that may be funny to you. You just need to by heart some of these idioms and try to understand. And sometimes, if we haven't by hearted, according to the situation, if somebody has used any idiom, we may guess, because something suitable to that situation. So in that case, sometimes we can guess. But here, once in a blue moon means very rare. It means very rare, or rare, you can say. Okay. What do I say? If something happens in rare cases, okay, often we don't get to see that, or often we don't get that, or any one of your friend, okay, he does homework. So when does he do his homework? Once in a blue moon, means very rare. Otherwise, most of the days he get beating. So once in a blue moon means very rare. Suppose any one of your friend, as I said, he doesn't do homework at all. Once in a month or once in 2 months, if he does, then you can say that, oh, you have done your homework. It is once in a blue moon. It means very rare. Now we are going to see some more questions. I mean, some more idioms and their meanings. So just be ready. Let's read out these idioms. There are some questions we need to guess the meaning, and you can make your own sentences. You're free to make any sentence of your choice. I'm going to discuss the meanings of these idioms. The first one is once in a blue moon. Already I said this, it means very rarely. Something which happens very rarely. The next one is bury the hatchet. Bury the hatchet means end a quarrel and become friendly. When there is a fight, there is a quarrel or any kind of dispute, after the dispute, when we become friends again, so then we can use this idiom, bury the hatchet. The next one is to make both ends meet. To make both ends meet means earn just enough money. It means that how much is required, according to our requirement, we make just that much of amount. We earn just that much of amount. So earn just enough money. We don't earn any extra money. So how much is required, somehow we manage our livelihood. Okay, so earn just enough money to make both ends meet. To burn the midnight oil. It means working or studying late night. When we read or write till late in the night, it means very late in the night, or we do any other work, either we study, write, or anything, any work we do till late night, that is called as to burn the midnight oil. The idiom to burn the midnight oil means working or studying late night. Now let's see some more idioms. These are the idioms on food. I mean, we often use some food items when we say some idioms. The first one is apple of his or her eye. Apple of his or her eye means something or someone we like a lot. Like I say, my brother is my brother is the apple of my eyes. It means I like him or I love him very much. Next is as cool as a cucumber. As cool as a cucumber. It means someone who is very cool headed and doesn't get worried. Someone who is very cool headed and doesn't get worried. For that person, we use this idiom. Next is agon. To encourage someone. Agon means to encourage someone. To sell like hotcakes. To refer to an object or commodity is bought by many people. To sell like hotcakes. When something is sold in more commodity, it means by many people. Then we say to sell like hotcakes. Okay. So spill the beans. To spill the beans. To reveal a secret to someone who is not supposed to know. To reveal a secret to someone. Piece of cake. A task that is very easy. It means very easy task is a piece of cake. Not my cup of tea. To indicate something you either don't like much or can't do. So that is called as not my cup of tea. So you can also say something which is not possible for you, that is not your cup of tea. So these are the idioms we often use in our daily life, and to make your English more better and attractive, you can also use these idioms. Thank you. Have a good day.